Your schemers, the next Prime Minister there, check up on the work how we are doing, you know?
Retail butter.
Own butter. Schemers, the rice spoil, and them want me to win it. Schemers, what family?
I'm just saying, you know,
you know, say what me do, so the Pama man.
Judge,
you know, say what me do, so the Pama man.
So where you know with that piece of it to go?
Listen, boss, 2 breadfruit for going there.
I mean, I for you right away.
That is it.
And them black first class. How tired of those are going more than you know. You know, bad like we see. Yes, I've been the on the jack like
Fireman.
No, not like that, brother. We're light on it. And you get all things to make it go. And you get we have plan to put on some concrete or so, you know. We don't sit down anything left. We pave off right round it. You understand? Pave it off, that's it. You know, stay like this, you know, it's more easier to clean up.
Yeah, okay.
So, we know say the back of it, I got thing there. I got pave.
Yeah, Rona, so.
Back this up, up this up, I got pave, make everything come in at one. All this all coming at one. That's how we are doing.
I know,
So
only.
the concrete up this up. So we are going to move all of them sitting there now.
Yeah.
And just pave, make everything come in at one.
Yeah, okay.
A whole heap of
So
ants.
anything drop down now, but a beer and Sarah.
So Chester enough go get ants powder.
Yeah,
Picture, look at the picture. Look on the wall, go up. Cry, the blood run cool.
I make my viewers and subscribers them see what.
Hey, you watch your football, your viewers and subscribers.
Auntie Sarah me is a vlogger, you know.
Oh, yeah, sir.
Yeah.
Vlog, boy.
We just normal thing like run and about we talk be things that we go river, we cook and them. Watch out! How we do
Hello?
Alright, schemers. Alright, schemers. We go build a skit and we cook some food today. You know, a labor day. So you know, so work I go on, you know what I mean? Yeah man, you know we are going to pave off the whole of right so and fix up the place. You see it, schemers? That's circle jamming. Refreshments. That is it.
Yeah, get the pot, you know.
Yeah, we get the pot. See stove, yeah?
Who does that come from Empire? Because I buy things at Empire.
So, what we are cook now?
I don't know.
Curry chicken and dumpling and banana.
I order a chef, you know.
Brown stew chicken.
I order a chef. I want to talk about food last night, so I forget. Thing there.
Get it?
Hmm?
Wanna get it?
Yeah, man.
Food I cook.
Banana, girl.
See Jamil cat the Simba. We are going to get cool down there so. Wood black up pot.
Chef Kerry, man.
Yes, so schemers we are going to clean up the ends and you know say Chester them I go fix the part there and we are going to cook food and beer things so. Stay tuned, like, share and subscribe. That is it. Right here, dumpling we are cook. I want to your rice. As I eat rice, it gone out of your Chester where is the rice?
No? You was nobody that will pass out to cook rice?
And I cook rice.
Don't play them banana people cook.
Yo, brother,
So
anything,
nobody that
anything,
cook rice
anything.
from the side, or now cook no rice from the side.
Anything or anything. Put on the next part of the rice.
I think I'm going to put on the next part of the rice.
Rice cooker there. You have put the rice cooker and rice.
Yeah, you put on the rice cooker. And see. I dumpling him and eat right this one.
Exactly.
I dumpling him and eat right this
I'm
one.
not going to dumpling later then.
See current there for the put in the rice cooker. So no use it.
The rice cooker can cook inside. And the big rice cooker.
No, sir. No, man, one day.
Whatever.
They don't have enough money for rice. But I'm going to have. I make a thing there.
So how it go? When the money reaches,
And look on this.
Money rich already. Money there.
And look on this
There, so I don't
loading
tell
board.
what to go get.
Loading board. Draft board right there, so I mean draft board.
Make the list I want, brother. Make the
Load
list.
it on the other side.
Make the list I want.
Eat no paint yet. Make the list, yeah. And we are going town. And we got wholesale, we not forgot town.
That goes on someone.
Yes, schema say, you don't know the man who might tear down them board there from off of the side. You see it, concrete, the man concrete up right there, some concrete up the front there, so. Yeah, concrete at the place. See there, see structure there from early. See concrete them, see black and gravel and thing right there, so.
Remember, you want the broad piece now, bro. You can't drop it up in a screw top, no man. You want the broad piece, bro.
Yeah, man, say no, say. We have fixed up this bin here. Yeah, no, a labor day, say no, we are putting the labor day work from early.
What are they on the house, man?
That is it.
Laptop or back face.
Okay.
90s over in my yard. Sue go call him out. Hey, labor day work, man, work have to put in, man.
Back face, man, labor day, you know.
That's a code.
That's not code. That's facts.
Sure.
Back in face is not work.
Ants for days. Schemers, I don't know if you can see ants, them, but a whole heap of ants.
Watch it.
Good.
Yeah, this puzzle. Can't figure you out it. Of course. Spray
But the ants, them?
Spray them.
Sickly.
Call it, it's a spray man, I come for a spray man.
Spray man late, man. Yo, try that piece over that side. I'm supposed to know that here.
The schemers are right to say rush from there.
Yeah, nail it. You think you got to have a big yard?
That may I say. That is it. Yes, schemers, so we are burn out some of my board, them hope some of my ants them get burn out. Burn out too because them are deal with it rough. So we are dealing with them back rough.
Green Lantern lifestyle.
Yeah man, them not be a good look ants and just.
Yeah, no cuteness.
You see it? Go about them business, you know. You see it? Them have to war in a war with us, so we are in a war back with them. War for war. We get them bush there come and them
And the bush,
them rubbish there come from.
No, man, please touch me unless I'm going to talk. I'm going to laugh.
Yeah. Yes, so schemers,
Step on that, though.
me I make you see when it finish. You know, don't know the thing go. Remember we are gonna cook food and them something there. And
Everything
thing.
I cook food.
Yeah, that is it.
Mackerel and rice himself.
Eh,
No mackerel and rice, chicken and rice.
man can work with chicken and rice. Fire, blaze here now. Blaze it. Ketchup in fire. Yeah, labor there, you know, we have fixed the place. That a code.
What do you think you got to have a big yard?
That may I say. That is it. Yes, schemers, so we are burn out some of my board, them hope some of my hands get burn out. Burn out too because them are deal with the rough. So we are dealing with them back rough.
Greenland and lifestyle.
Yeah man, them not be a good look hands and just.
Yeah, no cuteness.
You see it? Go about them business, you know. You see it? Them have to war in a war with us, so we are in a war back with them. War for war. We keep them bush there come and them
And the
some-
bush,
them rubbish there come from.
No, man, please don't touch me unless I'm going to talk. I'm going to laugh.
Yeah. Yes, so schemers,
Step on that, though.
me I make you see when it finish. You know, don't know the thing go. Remember we are gonna cook food and them something there. And
Everything I
thing.
got cook food.
Yeah, that is it.
Mackerel and rice himself.
Eh,
no mackerel and rice, chicken and rice.
man can work with chicken and rice. Fire, blaze here now. Blaze it. Ketchup in fire. Yeah, labor there, you know, we have fixed the place. That a code. Two breadfruit for going on fire. That is it. We don't have breadfruit for put it on fire. Oh, fire go on, man. Fire go on. Fire go on, man. Fire!
So where you know with that piece of it off?
Where's them boss? Two breadfruit for going
I
there.
mean, I fire right away.
That is it. Everybody has said two breadfruit for going on fire. We cannot blaze them big fire, yeah. Cannot blaze them big fire, yeah, and have no breadfruit and waste the fire. I want to go right there, sir.
Labor Day.
Labor Day. I want to go and send a Labor Day, yeah. No breadfruit for the fire. One big waste of fire.
So where you know with that piece of it off?
Where's them boss? Two breadfruit for going
I
there.
mean, I fire right away.
That is it. Everybody has said two breadfruit for going on fire. We cannot blaze them big fire, yeah. Cannot blaze them big fire, yeah, and have no breadfruit and waste the fire. I want to go right there, sir.
Labor Day.
Labor Day. I want to go and send a Labor Day, yeah. No breadfruit for the fire. One big waste of fire.
I see me saying a
Good
star.
to see you.
Nobody
I boss, I general. I'm a big him up, what do you mean?
Him no,
The name of a car.
him no want go pan, him no want go pan the camera. Schema. Schema's not too much show. Schema show no make a finger there. Why the finger there burn off, you know? Take one bag.
We're not gonna win that people.
Alright, schemers, we are going to town and we are going to buy the something them where we are going to cook.
Yeah, but I'm the vlogger.
We get better stove. We not use that again, we get this. That is it. You have to Peter again?
When I said no.
Oh. Yes, schemers. Labor Day, schemers, Sheeny and Peter again. Big bump again, I'm watching. That one side we make the schemers and see bump. Aye.
And the same Labor Day.
I be a sexy girly boy, you know. It's a special man,
I'm the sexiest girl there.
Ah, that Billy that is there. Hey.
Everything for true, our talented.
Yes, so schemers, me and Jamila, we are going to market. We are going to buy things that we are going to cook. Check in when we reach a town. You know what I mean? You know, a Labor Day. Alright, so schemers, we are going to a meat shop because a Labor Day, so you know, we are going to get some supplies for cook. Because you know, a Labor Day. Oh, it's like a walk in and pick up wholesale. Oh.
A curry.
Brown stew. So with the rice there. Oh, the meat part, when I saw. Yeah, we are going to buy retail brownie because we don't have enough money. We are economize. Yes, schemers, we are economizing. That is it. So me and Jamil, we are the meat shop. Are they so the rice there?
£10
Yeah, that them say £10 rice. Oh, let me see, make the schemers and Simon Boss. I make the schemers and see the price them of the rice and see that? Yeah, that's a that £2 and you have £3 right there, so and you have £5 right there.
How much flour them want?
No, I mean one flour, just put in £2 of flour. Just put in £2 of flour.
There's a basket, bro. You need a basket.
Oh, you need a basket?
Yeah, you need a basket.
How will you answer to the general?
Ross.
Aye, that is it.
Yeah, I have pay for the bill, alright?
Eh?
No, you out there like one little time for you know.
I want, here we are. Stop so that.
Ambience, yeah, I said in there, yeah?
Ambience, yeah, man. We show them from where I walk in. Ambience here.
Yeah.
Yeah, true, we have vlogger. Yeah. That is it. That is it. That is it, my God. Yeah, we cannot pass that, so employees all over. So, £10 a mixed parts. And we are running a boat today on the vlog in my boss. That is it. See the people. Ambient sale. See the price they say you have mixed parts, you have chicken breast. And that is it. You have £1 and you have case over the other side. That is it. You know, them have retail and wholesale. Price the case price, you know, that is a wholesale price. That is it. Right, that's a piece. Yeah, my general. £1 of chicken. Jamila, the right wholesale will find. You can just walk in and take up what you want. Everything just it's like a mini supermarket. That is it. Alright, so Sasha for go start come shop because you can just and then you bring yourself to the cashier like and at downtown this
And
you know.
inside, no banana rob me.
I remember it's downtown and the place safe.
You can't take out my phone.
Yeah, you know, no hustle and bustle, nobody now rub up, and you know, nothing.
Alright, the chicken.
You get everything you want, you get the season, the Maggi season. Schemas, this is not a promotion video for Maggi, but a Maggi season we use.
Let me ask him if he can sell it.
Yeah, the general say, you know, through we there promote the thing, yeah, we'll get a free bag.
Complimentary shopping.
A complimentary shopping bag for Schemas TV.
Yeah, free
That
the
is
name
it.
on it.
Yeah,
Yeah, one.
yeah, that is it.
Wrap up.
I like a wholesale, Sasha go start from a wholesale. She can just walk in and pick up a show. And the things them reasonable. The things them cheap, of course. The things them cheap because me the things that we have to spend more than that buy them something, I honest to God. So all the thing left for buy are like ground provision then. I know if they them not have no ground provision in here, but you know if them have it, you have to have the spot. Jamie, we get where we are again? At the exit right there. I never know say a 2 bag in half I did me so. Yeah. So I don't have no key for going out of the car.
Why? Sure.
Go up. Well, we can't just park right a second.
I will walk good to me.
Yeah, because we just reverse it.
And a big bag. Alright. My mama can't walk good, my nana ankle. Yeah, step like them, quick stepper. Sure. Popsy! Popsy, what? Popsy, what?
Boy, family.
I'm just say me now. Popsy, I want.
Schemas him drive the pretty carrier. See it there? Family. Yeah.
Well, you know, say what me do, so the Pama man. You know, say what me do, so the
Pull over.
No, I know war, you know, but come down here, good stuff. A 2 piece of pumpkin and 2 piece of some come looking at man.
2 things to work. You want to say, him pull up and him pull down you to do so. Pull to work hard.
Done. Let's say,
I want to go now. You want to go now. In that case,
the man just got so whoop.
pull one side.
So the accident, yeah. Wow, big bad wish to blood.
Yeah, because the man them just call it that time each time and them fix them own car.
The door there? Our fiberglass.
No, pull over, man. No, I'm not going. I'm rude, this, you know. I'm not going to go. Just lock the door, and make it. Can't lock this time, it's just so. Schemas, comment in the comment section who you think wrong right or so. The carrier driver come down. The carrier driver come down and the door open and they lift the door and they bend up the door. So, I want to put in the comment section who you think wrong right or so Schemas. That's a code. Man, I'm just work out back something just normal, yeah, man. A simple thing. Just work out something normal, yeah? So you have to show me there, my boss. Respect.
That's the price, that's so sweet. Right, that's all?
Yeah, the whole heap of water.
Good day. Want much you put on onion? Want a pound of onion, scallion and thyme, sweet pepper, like half pound of sweet pepper. Now over
Schemas. I'm not told no there shop we are buy something, so we don't know we are going to cook. You know, a labor day and thing, food a cook work a go on. That is it. You know, now watch my face and I go all a shave up.
yeah. Wait, half pound, yeah.
I just want
one cooking where I do for you.
Yeah, that is it.
Nah, like your things them look pretty on the camera.
What?
Pretty.
What?
Them look pretty for you. Sweet pepper.
We don't need to, hey, we don't
150
need
for that?
we don't need too much, we just need
Take up where you want.
We just need a sweet pepper. What else?
Irish.
We get the Irish.
2 bills a pound.
Half pound of Irish.
Give me pound.
Mama see. Want some pepper? We get pepper already?
We get pepper.
Pepper, hot pepper?
Oh. Jamaican country pepper.
We get the scallion and thyme already?
Yes.
Oh. Alright, I'm gonna look what else.
Look for your list. Onion, Irish pepper, sweet potato. Oh, coal and browning alone left.
Alright. 250. Hold on.
Hold them up so you can see them better.
2 for that. 450. 450 and 260 to 750.
Schemers, town cheap, 750 for all of this. You know, Labor Day today, cooking a guan. You know, town never lack. Every day you come to town, people they are town and sell. Every day, town never lack. Whether Labor Day,
Every day.
Boxing Day, Christmas Day, every day.
And half day them still out here.
Only thing I gonna make them go in a gunshot and starve.
I'm barely even got shot good.
Hey, gunshot.
I really storm I make them go in.
we not get
You
the
know I'm
car.
not bag, mommy? You want a carrot?
Yeah, we are going to carrot for going on.
One pound of carrot for 200.
You
Yeah.
carrot. I don't like carrot.
Yeah,
And I me wear glasses.
You're not really tasting it. Just let it be the good flavor. No.
Brown stew.
That is it, sit down.
Alright.
I lucky things that my skill, me not step in.
Why me never get that? Me never catch that.
How much is jelly, uncle? 200 jelly?
Hi.
That is
Hello, Jelly Man.
Schemas.
It's a vlog. Schemas TV. I'm going to video jelly them. You know serving a jelly? Suppose we can cut it out though, you know, but so we jelly. Alright, well, me lock up the camera now. Jeez, serious though, daddy. Alright. And now one spot media, I know. Woo, understand, yeah. No disrespect. No disrespect. One. More catch you in a video. Yeah. Jellyman. Oh man, sorry. Oh, you. I think I hear some of them this and then go over by your back. Oh, hi.
Give me a jelly there. You want jelly to Jamie?
Give
me 2 jelly.
Them cool?
No, Jamie. Them in a fridge.
Man, I know have the fridge in there, so?
Jamaica cool.
Good.
You drinking it?
Yeah.
Yeah, more man in one bag.
You want you in one bag?
Yeah.
Alright, put them.
I'm want the meat.
Alright.
Alright, no problem. Can I have a low blood count? I need it. Long time now, I'm gonna drink.
Long time now, you know do?
I'm gonna drink jelly water.
Coconut water wash off your heart.
She threw me out dirty.
No, more my own original. No hot and spicy, no barbecue, original.
I look like it enough. Like enough water in that, Ricky.
Eh?
Look like enough water in that.
Want that straw?
Yeah. How much you two of them?
400.
400 for a jelly. She have papaya, Jamaican apple,
We forgot so we have to go buy
pine, banana. Them banana you shorty with them the name finger banana them name? Honey?
I take him.
Yeah. Have to take him in. Have to. Alright. Ready?
It's a boss.
No.
A good bag.
Go, we can't. What? Alright. Ricky with him jelly. Why? Like a kid at Walmart and feel good. You know, man. Like a kid at Walmart, yes. It's sweet. Yeah, the jelly sweet as I catch it. It's sweet. It tastes so. It alright.
Never tastes good more than that shit.
I don't know if I should have flag in her. I don't know if I should have flag in her, say.
No, honestly, God, if you never taste good, it tastes nice.
Alright.
It tastes nice and refreshing if you never taste good more than that shit.
Alright, so I'm in charge of putting up the seasoning. Fireman Ricky. Burn him. I saw burn hat. Burn hat, man. Sorry, no.
Ah! You can't supposed to about the man.
Fireman. Blazing fire. The elder them a help you out. The big people them a help you out. The big man them. The big man them. The big man them. What am I supposed to say? The big man them. The big man them. The big man them. Just Christ. Chester, you felt away?
What?
You felt away to the Silver Fox. Look here, are your co-worker me here? You call it Silver Fox. Son of it. Don't vex. Yeah, Ricky, fire. Fire, Fee-Bone.
Make it say no catch it. Don't burn.
Oh, you know, we burn
My lighter oh. Fire, Fee-Bone. No matter how them try, we hotter than this. Oh, we blaze it.
I want to catch who's I want to catch I want them.
Yeah.
Come on, watch it. Big answer.
Sure. Violence upon the ends. Alright. Just start go chop tree. Why?
Light up the tree.
Oh, my uncle. Make sure move it. All you have to do is drive straight, go over there so you know you can't fuck up.
Figo there.
Alright, so after the trees get chopped, the pot are gonna go on and look a sweep up are gonna go on. So see the before ya. What happened?
You really out there the fireworks?
Me. The coal them wet. Come like the coal.
Fire not catch. Can you not catch the wood them, bro? You catch the coal and you not catch the wood them, brother.
So me not catch. See
You
wood
not
them a
catch
try
nothing, brother.
catch. The wood them a try catch and they not.
How we come?
Come like the coal wet. Hold on now, watch. I didn't have too thick. Come like them are too thick.
Me can't catch cold fire. I'm sorry, I'm not ashamed. Lord, Peter Gay looks sexy though I broke the corner a while ago. Watch the bumper. Yes, we get them in over there. Eh? Where? What? Guess I? Oh, all right. May I paint it probably later today or tomorrow. You know how long him for tell me so the paint that if I paint the loody board? May I paint it? You know I'm not little brush. My name not look. You have it?
Nope.
My name not little brush.
Forget it right.
I want tea, brother. You see in my kitchen? And I'm a hand me use jar that. Yeah. What you mean by? Easy na Ricky tea. Easy na Ricky. Easy na Ricky. I tell you something, dad.
Where light on it? And you get all things to make it go book. And you don't catch it. Oh, black star! Must 5 minutes to catch a fire, dog.
We don't want to fun upside.
What can I do, master?
And these and them give it.
Yeah. Can't go.
Yeah, to plastic bag, yeah. I like all the box and make it go and eat out the belly.
No, don't put that. Don't put that. I take too long. Come on.
So when I say the book now,
The book now.
yeah, I saw someone fire this up.
I already seen that turn on fire. I already seen that catch it. It's not look good.
It takes 4 man to catch 1 coal. 4 man to catch 1 coal.
But just come here, son. Don't do me that. Don't do me that.
Murder. Jaja. Live cash. And you can't pay him tomorrow. I have to pay him today. But now the crocus bag too.
What on the brother? Stop side for the fire.
That's good, man. That's all right. That's all right. Good to see you.
Yeah, Peter Gay.
Like me don't know what me I do.
You don't know what
Nothing wrong if we not used to catch coals too over gas we have. No, we not true.
We have gas now, no. Hey, eat food.
Yeah, we have gas in our house, so nothing wrong. Me not know if we catch coal fire.
Just I feel like we are going to bring up the fire a little bit more.
You go with that.
They don't bring flask up in up care.
Just go with them, I believe.
No, man, you need some of them.
No, man, you go with them,
man.
man.
I want some brambly nice.
See, the whole apart,
Go with them, brother.
Ross, the last are sharp. All the last are sharp. Right, this, yeah. Come here, wow.
that brother.
Fire! Fire, 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 fire. Hey, banga, 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 banga. Banga, banga, banga.
Hey. Fire catch.
What about this?
No. Go on. Chloe, go on, man. And anything can go in a fire.
It smell like it catch.
Cola crack.
I want to smell like it catch. Dog, are you that now, brother?
Fire, feeble. No matter how them try, we hotter than the sun. Chloe, move. The tree are chop. Where? Retail butter.
Pound butter.
Yeah, pound butter. How much is that, say?
Just trying to bring our plate.
Alright, that is it, Ricky T. The Irish going.
Your schemers, I don't know. The minister. Your schemers, the next prime minister, they are check up on the work we are doing, you know? We don't know, we're still, the food not done cook, so. Yeah.
Yeah, you love my respect. Respect, okay. Yes, man. Let's go.
So what's your name?
Andre Barrett.
Barrett, man.
Ah, General.
If I feel more, I'm not feel it. I said, go and dance the pussy like that. What the truck your money? First on the school tonight. On the old furniture, you know? I need by night.
Your schemers, you know, Mark Golding just come check for local Labor Day work, because you don't know. Yeah. At the Bass constituency, you know. That is it. You know, Schemers TV not really involved in politics, but you don't know a film constituency, and in there, I check for our work, as well a good member of parliament should do. Yeah, that is it. And him come here regular still in the Schemers. Yeah man, regular him come check up on we over here. That is it. Yeah. Schemers and so we can't catch him a cuss.
I first time a new scheme bill. What people stand up right there, sir.
Right.
New scheme bill. What people stand up there, all the opposition leader. The minute. I want my people stand up and be a bite man's. All the years. Country. I'm first all the years.
The next prime minister is here.
Yeah.
Oh, Black Acid.
Yes.
All the
Yes.
years. What people have stand up there, sir.
From man, we don't see nobody.
Where's where people come from?
Mr. From man, we don't see nobody. And the man just stop for a second.
And the place ram up.
Next time I keep a dance, I invite Mark Golding.
Yeah, him have to come in for stand up in the dance, man. Ram up. special guest.
Play small slow.
Ants. Yeah, man. Red ants, mad ants, biting ants, black ants.
Social development.
Yes, schemas. Schemas, the rice spoil and them want me to Schemas must spoil the rice.
I'm here to rectify the rice back and it's spoiled by Ricky.
It's Nama to the rescue.
Nama to the rescue like Paw Patrol, the fuck. Nama to Marshall, Paw Patrol, Nama to the rescue.
Yeah, Miss Nama to the rescue.
Make things I think they get their meat for soon. And the meat not talk about what rice there, where for what to do. Jamie, look at her there. Jamie says she don't get none.
Of course, me get. You see, if you give me, no, me don't get none.
Oh, are the kids in here? Are the kids in here?
Yeah, Barbara actually. Oh yeah, I told Johnny. I told me to share why they can't coffee. Yeah.
Yes, schemas.
This is the second to the last one. The last one I want girl. The last one I want girl.
We no bad like we see. This up in the pond drop 90.
Yo, I flew for the poor room, the man.
Half glass. Half glass.
First, I want glass.
That me tell man to me.
I can't want to share them bridge it.
Yeah, I'm bridge.
Yeah, bridge around.
You chase the brother.
No, sir.
Thursday, you know.
Big CEO like you know.
Who's the sell boat then? Yeah? Who's the sell boat then? Get me a boat, please.
Them black your broad though.